Bing bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. Nice little pull tabby tab. Awesome. So this is it. Oh, I like this design. Clip right on here. That's nice. Charging port right on there. This is very sleek. I like this. Stay tuned. We are going to show you guys at nighttime what it looks like. So stay tuned. So there's, if we just press it. Let's go ahead and adjust this. If we press and hold, we can see by just pressing and holding. If we adjust this, press and hold. So there's double pressing. If we press it 3 times, the light stays on. You have different setting right on here. So you can kind of see the different color, hopefully. So you, let's actually turn this off. Rapid flashing. And I'm going to show you guys at nighttime. So if you see, there's LED lights around it, and then there's LED lights in the center. So 2 different setups on here. We got red, blue. Oh, that actually changed. Oh, that's so cool. We'll show you at nighttime.